not hang up. We are connecting you with the next member in your line. Thank you.
I don't have time for this. An account of Sulaymān. Merits, perfections, and miracles of Sulaymān. Allah says, and we made subservient to Sulaymān the wind blowing violently, pursuing its course by his command to the land, which we had blessed, and we are knower of all things. And of the rebellious people, there were those who devised for him, and did other work besides that. And we kept guard over them, and he said, O men, we have been tangent, the language of the birds, and we have been given all things. Most surely this is manifest grace. And we made the wind subservient to Sulaymān, which made a month's journey in the morning and a month's journey in the evening, and we made a fountain of molten copper to flow out for him. Get yourself some copper, guys. I have a client calling. Spasi.
Are now connected.
Hello. Hi. Hi, Johnny. I have each says. I love. I see. Make far young Ganeres. Nero will do kiss in Chassa's kiss. What has hunted a Noritz? Ha. Oh. Aman. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. Sird Kharnavache. Cheskarovanes. Ice can sirun. Atamanti no man achik. High achik. Body of high achik. If Aveli, like he's ruining it, you know? It told Manamikani or just got over spasses in the kitchen. Which made a month's journey in the morning and a month's journey in the evening, and we made a fountain of molten copper to flow out for him. And the jinn, there were those who worked before him by the command of his Lord, and whoever turned aside from our command from them, among them, we made him taste the taste of punishment. Do you hear that, Vartan? Do you hear that, Samshulmun? We made him taste the taste of punishment. King Sulaymān is also in the Christian Bible. Learn the teachings, the family of Dāwūd. And very few of my servants are grateful. I am grateful that I am nothing. For Allah has taken all of my family members, every person I've ever loved, since I was a child, guys, since I was a child. I've learned to survive on my own. I've learned to thrive on my own, and I would give everything away. Anything I accumulated, I would give away. For what? For glory, for to being popular, for fame. What fame? If I wanted to be famous, I'd be a billionaire by now. Selling myself. Tried Sulaymān, and we put him on his throne, a mere body, so he turned to Allah. He said, my Lord, do thou forgive me and grant me a kingdom which is not fit for being inherited by anyone after me. Surely thou art the great giver. Then we made the wind subservient to him. It made his command to run gently wherever he desired. And the shaitans, every builder and liver, and others fettered in chains. This is our free gift. Therefore give freely or withhold without reckoning. 38, 34 to 39 from the holy, noble Qur'an.